Master Module. This Master Module is used to provide all master forms. When we click on General menu, a list appeared which provides master forms. Click on Environment setting. A window appear which has various options like General, Purchase, Sales, Stores, Production, and Gate. Click on particular categories to manage the all settings. The General setting is used to add bank detail in sales invoice. You can fill these detail which you want to add in sales invoice. Select bank name. Enter account number. Branch. IFSC code. Custom levy number. Enter Levi production percent. It is a percentage of patty which is needed to produce. Enter Levi customer part percent. It is a percentage of rice which we sell in local market. Enter Levi government part percent. It is a percentage of rice which we return to government. Enter CD posting account number. It is account of receiving discount in Mandy payment entry. And save it. Purchase setting. This setting includes PO rate editable. In case of making GRN with PO, purchase order, it validate rates account to this setting. Enter option, yes or no. PO pendency based on. This setting help us to verify the pendency of PO. Enter option, accept quantity or dot quantity. Auto approve indent. This setting help us to approve indent while saving automatically. Enter option, site approval, verification or none. Site-wise order against indent. This setting help us to use one single indent in multiple sites. Enter option, yes or no. Check duplicate challan. This setting allow us to trace duplicate challan number. Enter option, yes or no. Last purchase rate update on. This setting update system stock valuation based on this dot. Tick mark on any voucher type. And click on OK. Show order in site. This setting help us to show any order in specific sites. Tick mark on site name and click on OK. Show GRN in site. This setting help us to show any GRN in specific sites. Tick mark on site name and click on OK. Backdata allow. This setting help us to stop backdate entries. Enter option, yes or no. Bill expense grid show. This setting hide or unhide the grid which is present in PB for managing GL posting. Enter option, yes or no. Bill date calculate on. Bill due date calculations will be based on this setting. Enter option, party bill date or entry date. Indent mandatory. This setting help us to make PO with indent or without indent. Enter option, yes or no. Party batch request. This setting help us to manage batch number manually while receiving final product in production. Enter option, yes or no. Sales setting. This setting includes SO rate editable. In case of making sales challan with SO sale order, it validate rates account to this setting. Enter option, yes or no. Bargain rate. In case of making sale order, it validate bargain rate. Enter option, yes or no. Last sale rate update on. This setting update system stock valuation based on this. Tick mark on any voucher type and click on OK. Weighment tolerance percent. It define the tolerance percent of weighment. Enter weighment tolerance percent. Price list active. This entry is used to see price list of sale order. Enter yes or no. Price list applicable on. Enter broker wise or party wise. Item help on. code with item name or item name or item name with code. Bargain tolerance. Enter numeric value. Credit limit check for balance-wise, due dates-wise or both. Credit limit check. This option is used for sale order and sale bill. Choose any option, stop, warning only or none. Print option. You can print bill in letterhead or plain paper. Bill show on. You can show outstanding pop-up on sale bill, party-wise or broker-wise. Expiry maintain. This allow you to selling of expired items. Enter yes or no. Policy limit check. This allow you to check the policy expiry date and warn when policy is expired. None, stop or warning only. Second wait. Challenge is not created, whenever second waitement is not done, if you choose yes. Packing from Master. By default packing is shown in Item Master as you choose yes. Click on Save. Your record is saved successfully. Stores setting. This setting includes: allow negative stock, select yes. If stock is available, go down help is shown, select no. Or if stock is not available, go down help is not shown. Edit on ed, enter yes or no. Cost center mandatory and GRN, enter yes for cost center mandatory and GRN, otherwise enter no. Stock transfer manual billable, select yes for stock transfer and bill with account posting, otherwise select no. Stock receive in transit billable, select yes for stock receive and bill with account posting, otherwise select no. Click on Save. Your record is saved successfully. Production setting. This setting includes: job batch excess quantity percent, it is extra percentage of quantity. When job batch item quantity issued, extra quantities is automatically added. Allow negative stock. Select yes, if stock is available, go down help is shown, select no. If stock is not available, go down help is not shown. Government lot Bardana item, it is related to Levi custom milling rice. Select item name. Government pack size, enter pack size. Government lot bags, enter quantities. Government issued lot in bags. Lot allotment lab mandatory, select yes for lot allotment mandatory in lab. Otherwise select no. Bardana VAT percent, it is percentage of Bardana value added tax. Bardana SAT percent, it is percentage of Bardana special added tax. Production issue excess quantity percent, it is extra percentage of quantity. When production item quantity issued, extra quantities is automatically added. Lot no repeat in production rec. Select yes for no duplicate lot issued in production, otherwise select no. Reverse BOM in process entry, select yes when use reverse BOM in process entry. Otherwise select no. By product adjustment in production planning, enter option yes or no. Issue quantity equal receive quantity in direct production. Select option, packing entry or repacking entry. Click on Save. Your record is saved successfully. Gate setting. This setting includes: first process, when you select advice, this setting allow you prefer advice entry instead of gate entry after lab test. When you select gate, this setting allow you prefer gate entry instead of advice entry after lab test. Lab broker / party, manage lab, broker wise or party wise. Waitement type, choose single or multiple. Wait exe path, here you can give path of exe file like camera software, so waitement can be filled automatically through this software. Wait file path, here you can give path of any file where exe data is saved. Weight expression, choose multiplication sign or division sign. Weight conversion rate, enter the conversion value of weight. For example kg to tons. Weight unit, select unit of weight which you want to prefer. Weightment auto / manual, this setting allow you to fill weightment automatically or manually. Unloading lot check, When you choose Stop, you cannot save detail without filling lot number and unloading entry. When you choose Warning, it will warn you that you cannot save detail without filling lot number and unloading entry. When you choose None, lot number is not mandatory in unloading entry. Advise Approval Request, select Yes for Advise Approval. Without Advise Approval, you cannot fill next entries. Camera Pick Require, choose Yes for mandatory of camera pick when weightment, otherwise choose No. Vehicle Checklist Require, choose Yes for mandatory of vehicle checklist when weightment, otherwise choose No. Click on Save, your record is saved successfully. Next form is Department Master. Department Master form is used to create department name of the firm. Use to add button and enter department name in department name column like admin and save it. Edit department name by clicking on Edit button. Delete department name by clicking on Delete button. Print department name by clicking on Print button. You can also find departments by clicking on Find button. Next form is Bin Master. Bin is the part of department which used as like we use shelf in an almirah. If you want to manage bin rackwise, you can follow these steps. Use Add button to add new bin. Select location from Location Master which used as bin. Press any key and choose location name. And then select rack number. Enter bin capacity. Select Process from Process Master by pressing any key and choose any one. And save it. Next form is Location Master. Location Master form is used to open new location or go down of the firm. If you want to bifurcation location into different parts like rack or stack, we can manage it from here. Use Add button to add new location. Enter new location. Enter area name and unit. Select specification name that comes from Specification Master. And save it. Next form is Policy Master. This form is used to create policy name which used in sale entry. When we send document to any party, then we use policy number. Click Add button to add new policy. Enter policy number. Enter policy name. Enter insurance company name. Enter policy start date. Enter policy end date. Enter policy description. Again enter the policy start date. Enter policy amount. Enter policy installment amount. And save it. Next form is Mandy Master. The term Mandy means open market. Mandy Master form is used to insert Mandy name open market from where we purchase raw materials paddy and discount rate. Click on Add button to add new Mandy. Enter Mandy name. Add expenses by pressing any key and choose one. Enter rate. You can add one and more expenses. And save it. Next form is Specification Master. Specification Master form is used to manage one single go down in different types, like rackwise or stackwise. Click on Add button to add new specification. Select voucher type by pressing any key. Enter specification code. No is automatically assigned, or you can change this. Enter specification name. Select specification type. Link field name is automatically assigned according to specification code. And then save it. Next form is Specification Value Master. Specification Value Master is used to create name of different parts of go down section, like stack 1, rack 2, etc. Click on Add button to add new specification value. Select specification name, rack or stack. Enter specification value and save it. Next form is Allow Master Site-wise. This form is used to create common master of different sites, through Item Master or Supplier Master. Select Item Type. Select Item Group. Select Item Category. Choose Item Name. And then select Site and click on Update button. You can follow process through Supplier Master option. Next form is Farmer Master. This form is used to fill farmer details. Click on Add button to add new farmer. Enter farmer details like name, father name, manual code, address, city and village. And save it. Next form is Packing Master. Packing Master form is used to fill item packing detail like item packed in bag, item weight, packing weight group and number of pieces. Click on Add button to add new packing detail. Enter packing name. Select SKU, stock keeping unit, like bag, box, bundle, etc. Select packing weight. Enter conversion. Enter weight. Select secondary unit. Choose item group. Enter weight per pieces in kilogram. And save it. Next form is Truck Master. Click on Add button to add new truck detail. Enter truck number, chassis number, license number, and driver name, mobile. Photo reference number if any, truck owner name, his PAN number, RC number, RC date, insurance number, insurance date, transporter name, and then click on Save button. Next form is Unit Master. Unit Master form is used to manage units, like bag, bundle, box, kilogram, etc. You can create new unit by click on Add button. Enter unit name and save it. Next form is Quality Specification Master. Specification Master is used to define item quality like patty whiteness, moisture, dead patty, etc. You can create new quality specification by click on Add button. Enter specification. Save it. Next form is Tariff Master. Tariff Master form is used to define tax code. It's a tax duty which used in excise and import. You can create new tariff by click on Add button. Enter tariff name. Enter tariff code. Select type. And save it. Next form is VAT Code Master. This form is used to create a VAT code value-added tax code. It's a consumption tax placed on a product at a time of sale. You can create new VAT code by click on Add button. Enter vet name. Enter vet code. And save it. Next form is Item Type Master. Item Type Master form is used to define item nature, like semi-finished, raw material, packing item etc. Create new item type, by click on Add button. Enter item nature name. Enter unique code of the item nature. And save it. Next form is Item Category Master. Item Category Master form is used to define item category. Create new item category, by click on Add button. Enter category name. Select item type, created in Item Type Master. Enter printing sequence. Enter rate differences and division for. And save it. If you want to manage GL posting general ledger posting, then you can manage it here. Next form is Item Group Master. This form is used to define item group. Create new item group, by click on Add button. Enter item group name. Select category name. Item type is automatically selected according to item category. Enter printing sequence. And save it. Next form is Impurity Master. This form is used to create the different types of impurities. Example, patty dust, moisture, broken, dead patty etc. Add new impurity by click on Add button. Enter impurity name and save it. Next form is Item Master. This form is used to create different types of items under previously defined item groups like basmati rice, patty etc. Add new item by click on Add button. Enter item name. Item unique code is automatically generated when you add new item. Select item group. Item categories is automatically selected according to item group. Select tariff, it's a tax duty which used in excise and import. Select VAT code, it's a unique code of product. Enter HS classification number. Select stock unit, SKU. Enter print serial number. Select rate type. Select item loose or packed. Select item type. Lab applicable, select yes or no. Lot applicable, after production lot applicable, yes or no. Batch applicable, select yes or no. Enter max level, min level and reorder level if any. PO mandatory, select yes or no. Enter item description, item MRP, item last sale rate, last purchase rate, and expiry date. Select HSN code. Select GST nature. Select pack size. And save. Next form is Impurity Description Master. This form is used to create head checking master like all type checking, should be under of in these descriptions. Example, rice is an impurity checking head under of these all checking master like moisture, dust, kinky etc. Add new impurity description using Add button. Enter description. And save it. Next form is Impurity Setting Entry. This form is used to set item impurity checking way. Add new impurity setting using Add button. Select impurity checking description. Select item name. Select impurity name. Enter range 1, 2, and 3. These are the impurity point. Select formula for quantity and formula for amount. User can create formula to calculate impurity. Next form is Process Master. Process Master is used to define all process name which used at the time of production. Add new process using Add button. Enter process name. Select manual code. Select process type. Enter serial number, and save it. Next form is Expense Setting Master. This form is used to prepare purchase or sale register report according to self. User can pass those fields which fields output he want to show in report. Add new expense using Add button. Select database table name which show field. Select voucher type which used in purchase and sale form. Click on Fill Detail button and choose fields which you want in report. And save it. Next form is Brand Master. Add new brand using Add button. Enter brand name. Manual code is assigned. And save it. Next form is Customer-wise Item Description Master. Click on Add button. Select customer name. City name is automatically selected. Enter item name. Brand name. Barcode and pack size. Click on BOM, choose item name and enter item quantities. You can add one or more items by following these process. And save it. Next form is HSN Master. This form is used to assign HSN code to goods or assign SAC code to services. These codes are used in tax. Click on Add button. Enter HSN code. Select goods or services. Select exp short code. Enter description. Tick mark on tax overhead. And save it. Next form is Service Config. This form is used for configuration of services and bills. Click on Add button. Select voucher type. You can add one or more items by entering item name. And save it. Next form is Master Transfer. This form is used to import masters from system. If you have data in Excel form, then you can import its data in specific master form. Enter master type. When you select master type, require Excel format is shown. These field is necessary in Excel. Save your Excel in XLS format. Click on Import Data and select Excel from your computer system and click on Open. Click on Yes to import data. Save this data. Click on Contractor Rate Master. This form is used to prepare contractor rate chart of their work type. There are many type work rate defined by customer like load, unload, transfer and job work. Click on Add button to add new rate. Select contractor name. Enter work type, pack size. Choose location. Rate type. Enter rate. You can add one and more work type by follow these process. Save it. You can also copy rate list by clicking on Copy Rate List button. Next form is Brokerage Master. This form is used to set a fixed amount of broker for brokerage of item. Click on Add. Enter description. Effective date, and date of this condition. Enter item name. Enter brokerage type on which have to give commission like item amount, weight, bag or net amount of the item. Enter brokerage like commission amount. You can add one or more item. Save it. You can also copy brokerage. Next form is Mandy Payment Terms Master. This form is used to set open market bill payment term and conditions. Add new open market payment term using Add button. Enter from date and to date. Enter market name. For example, when we pay within 7 day, interest rate is 0, then we do these entries. When we pay between 8 to 15, 1% interest rate is applied on bill, then we do these entries. When we pay between 16 to 21, 1.5% interest rate is applied on bill, then we do these entries. Save it. Next form is Price List Master. This form is used to set price of particular item. Add new item price using Add button. Enter from date and up to date. Enter description. Select ledger group. Enter item name. Enter MRP and distributor's rate. And save it.